Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add animated GIF to Outlook email. If you want to make your emails more engaging and visually appealing, adding an animated GIF is a great way to do it. Whether you're sending a marketing email, a quick update, or just want to stand out, GIFs can help you grab attention instantly. The good news is that Outlook allows you to insert GIFs directly into your emails without needing any extra tools. To begin, open your browser or desktop app and go to Microsoft Outlook. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your inbox, click on New Mail to start composing a new email. A new message window will open. At the top, enter your recipient's email address and type your subject line. Now, under the Subject section, look for the toolbar and click on the Insert tab. Inside the Insert menu, click on Attach File. From the drop-down options, select Browse this computer. This will open your File Explorer. Now navigate to the location where your GIF file is saved on your device. Select the GIF file and click Open. The GIF will now be added to your email. Depending on your Outlook version, the GIF may appear as an inline image in the email body or as an attachment that can still display when opened. If it appears as an attachment, you can click on it and choose to insert it inline so it displays directly in the email body. Once inserted, you can resize or reposition the GIF as needed. Make sure to preview your email to confirm that the GIF animates correctly. Most modern email clients support GIF playback, but it's always good to double-check. After everything looks good, click Send. Using Microsoft Outlook to add GIFs can make your emails more dynamic and engaging. To summarize, adding an animated GIF to an Outlook email involves clicking New Mail, going to Insert, selecting Attach File, browsing your computer, and choosing your GIF. Once inserted, you can adjust its position and send your email. And that's how to add an animated GIF to an Outlook email. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference in how your message is received, especially if you're trying to capture attention or communicate visually. Just remember to use GIFs appropriately depending on your audience. For professional emails, keep them subtle and relevant, while for casual or creative messages, you can be more expressive. As you get more comfortable, you can combine GIFs with other formatting options like images, buttons, and styled text to create more engaging emails overall. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.